So this is
Try
hive.
and pull some honey out there.
This is hive number 2.
Yeah, he loaded. He loaded. See them all run down?
Mm-hmm. There's a few in the air.
I'm smoking me because
They're all over you, especially
they're
behind you.
pissy.
Yeah, they don't like having their force disturbed.
Oh, they double combing everything. They're not being nice in there. Alright, calm down, girl. Just daddy. And you are dead.
What was that?
Roach. They'll go in there and rob their honey.
Yeah, Roach is getting everything. It's ridiculous.
No critters. Oh,
What you?
beetle. See? And catch him, I'll kill him. Or better yet, I'll just flick him into the wood.
Let him start over again. Finding his way back. Look at this, guys. Can you see that? This next one's real active. I'm thinking that's where Mom's at. You can smell the honey.
Yeah, that's honeycomb there. I mean, it's heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the
Mm-hmm.
all the dark in there.
Mm-hmm.
That's honey. No brood in there. No baby.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Ah, oh my God.
How many times you think you've been stung?
One.
One time.
And that's because I grabbed the bee.
Ah,
That's
stung
why
you
I
in the
wear-
hand?
In my tip of my finger, that's why I wear gloves.
Yeah, well, you were mushing it. It had to. Uh-oh, uh-oh, oh no.
That's not good.
No. Doggone it.
It wasn't attached like it was supposed to be.
Well, I'm sure they'll get the memo now.
Yeah, I'm going to get the memo here in a minute.
You gonna fish it out?
Yep, and take it. It's full of honey. It was double combed. It shouldn't have been like that.
Yeah.
Damn, this queen's working.
Yeah, she's a busy girl. Much more active than the other.
I'm looking for her so you can add her to the video. Look, I don't see her. Probably on that back wall. Yep, I see her.
Where is she?
Right in here. Where'd she go? Come on.
Well, they're gonna get her out of here because you know
Yeah,
the forest is
they're
disturbed. So
pushing her to move.
yeah, go down in a hole somewhere and hide. We're here to protect you. There's disturbance in the forest.
You know something? My babies like me.
Yeah, you just got away with them. No, you got away with them. You figured out how to handle them without hurting them, how to enhance their life, and that's what everybody who loves bees wants.
Okay, girl. Might as well come off that comb. I'm eating it. You hear them just singing, don't you?
Yeah.
This hive is doing so good.
Yeah, maybe the other one will get going now that you've
Well,
given it some sugar water.
Now that I've got it.
Yeah.
Thanks, girl. Calm down. Nope, that one goes in next. See them fanning?
Yeah.
Trying to cool the queen down.
Yeah.
That's how you know you still got her in there.
Okay. Your homemade boxes work real well.
Yeah, I gotta work on them a little bit.
Sure. It's made a happy home for these girls. Yeah. Okay.
You gotta cut down so they will get nice.
I think this corner over here's up
I see that.
too far. There we go. Okay. See if we can get these diehards to... There we go. They're scattering. Yeah, we don't want anybody to follow us home. We want them to go back to their hive and stay there. We don't want to lose anybody.
I don't want them landing in my ear either.
Yeah, we don't want to lose anybody. They all serve a purpose. They're a family. They're important. They need to stay with the family. That one's just not giving it up. I think it's gone now, unless it's on top.
Yeah.
That one won't go. That's the Rocky. He's fighting. Got you some comb. All right, guys. Beekeeping from Cooper's Farm.